Jim and I might be new to making videos, but we have had many great years of classic British car ownership going all the way back to our first cars. Between us, we have enjoyed several Minis, a Triumph Spitfire, a few MGBs, a Jag, and now our lovely little midget, Dotty. As you can imagine, all these little beauties did, at times, throw a tantrum, and when they did, we would often find the part we needed at MGOC Spares. MGOC Spares have a vast range of classic MG parts and accessories and also look after the needs of MGF drivers, Classic Mini, Land Rover, Morris and many more to keep your loved one on the road for many more memories to come. So check out their website at www.mgocspares.co.uk. Piston Broke is proud to be supported by MGOC Spares. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Hi, so welcome back to Piston Broke with me, Jim, and Dotty, our 1977 Project Midget. So one of the other little jobs I want to do before I head back out to do my day job is to replace the gasket that seals the fuel cap into the rear panel. So it's quite perished, not generally looking very good. Potentially going to be letting dirt and so on into the boot as well. So we'll start by removing the fuel cap. Obviously work in a well ventilated area because the tank is open to elements, and in the back here we've got a circular sort of hose clamp that we're going to remove, and we should then be able to pull the filler neck, because this doesn't want to go without a fight. There we go. Pull the filler neck out, pull the gasket out. I'll give the bodywork a little wipe round just to get rid of any dirt and so on that's under there. Just make that all nice and clean, and pop the gasket back in again. So the gasket does have a flat side and a slightly kind of profiled side, so it goes with the profiled side pointing out, and we'll just work that around the flange of the rear panel. Get that in all the way around that you can see on the inside here, and then we'll take our filler neck, work that back through the hose, through the hole rather, and into the filler hose which goes down to visit the tank. Work that back in, getting the hose as far up the filler neck as we can. And we'll retighten the hose clamp on here as well. And there we go. That's another job ticked off the list.